Hello guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to join the DTW UTME challenge. Okay, every year we set aside some Saturdays to help you get into the exam condition. So we make it like a competition. All right, so you connect with several millions of students all over Nigeria competing for fun, for fun and also for prizes. Oh, there'll be lots of prizes, airtime to be won, data to be won, and also cash prize. The highest will score cash prize, and then at a particular, every week we have things that we give to students. Okay, please, it is not a lie. We send it to you. Okay, so how do you join the UTME challenge? And let me tell you the dates. Let me show you the dates. So you come here, you have to get the DTW JAMB CBT app first of all. You have to download it on Google Play Store, on Apple Play Store. Go download the DTW JAMB CBT app. All right, so quickly, sorry, a plane is passing over. All right, so all you need to do is click on UTME challenge now. So these are the rounds we have. Okay, our first round is starting this 10th of January. Okay, can you see? And we have all the way to the last round, which is 11th of April. All right, so it's pending. So all you need to do on your app, you have to set your subject. English is compulsory. So if you're doing chemistry, you're doing physics, you're doing maybe mathematics, okay, you say okay. All right, so you've edited it. So when it is time, you will see the time, Saturday 10 a.m. Please be early. Click, because several students are trying to log in. It is going to be live. So it will do this for 2 hours, and your score, everybody's score would appear. And then we share the gifts. This is to encourage you to study, to encourage you to put yourself under exam condition. So these are several mocks that we are going to hold at this particular date. Can you see this? So please do make sure you download the DTW JAMB CBT app to join this. To have access to this, you have to activate the app. To have access to this and every other features of the app, you have to activate with 4,000 naira. It costs 4,000 naira to activate. It's a one-time fee payment, and it works without the internet for a whole full year. All right, so please WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp details on our app. You just click on our contact details, WhatsApp us, send us your receipt, and we activate your app. You are blessed and destined to win. Please do share this video and come join DTW. All right, so thank you. You are blessed and you are destined to win. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. Come to him today.